Previously, we discussed why social media is such an important piece of your company's marketing puzzle. Now, let's talk about 5 core pillars of social media marketing: strategy, planning and publishing, listening and engagement, analytics and reporting, and paid social media. These pillars can help you guide an effective social media marketing campaign. The first core pillar of social media marketing is strategy. To build a successful social media marketing campaign, you need to develop an effective strategy. Your strategy will define the primary goals of your campaign. You may want to use your marketing efforts to boost brand awareness, drive more website traffic and sales, provide customer support, build a community, and beyond. The purpose of your social media campaign will also depend on your broader marketing goals and the goals of your business. Your strategy will also include which social media platforms you'll use. In order to decide which platforms are best for your brand, you will need to research the platforms most visited by your target audience, and your strategy will outline which types of content you'll post. You'll need to find out what types of content your audiences value. Some people might be interested in educational or inspiring content, while others might prefer to be entertained. You'll also need to decide on the formats for the content you'll post, such as images, videos, or articles. You should be prepared to do some research and a lot of trial and error to see what resonates with your target audience and yields results. After you have developed your social media strategy, you can move on to the next core pillar of social media marketing: planning and publishing. It's important to have a consistent presence on social media. This allows your brand to be seen and discovered by potential customers. Scheduling your posts in advance helps ensure you have a consistent presence and that you are publishing the content most likely to attract potential customers. When planning your post, you'll also need to consider their timing and frequency. When is your audience most likely to engage with your content? How often should you post in order to be in their minds but not overwhelm their feeds? Social media scheduling tools can help you publish your content automatically at your preferred times. In a later course, we'll discuss how to create a social media calendar to help you plan and publish your content. Once you've published content on some social media platforms, it's time to explore the next social media marketing pillar: listening and engagement. As you publish more on social media and your following grows, mention of your brand will increase. Potential and existing customers will comment on your posts, tag you in their own posts, or message you directly. You can learn a lot about how people feel about your brand through social listening. Social listening refers to tracking and analyzing conversations and trends related to your brand. Social listening can help you understand what people think about your brand, which can inform your marketing and product development decisions. It can also help you determine your approach to audience engagement. Engagement refers to how your audience interacts with your brand on social media. It's when people respond to your social media posts by taking actions such as liking or sharing them. Studying engagement helps you learn what content resonates best with your audience. Engagement also includes how you interact with your audience on social media. For example, if a customer comments that they love your product, you can respond with your appreciation. If a customer needs help with an issue, you can tell them how you'll take action to address it. Interacting with people in this way increases their positive experience with your brand. After you've had a consistent social media presence for a while, you can move forward with the next core pillar: analytics and reporting. Social media analytics is a process of collecting data from your social media platforms and analyzing that data to make business decisions. Social media analytics tells you how your campaign is performing. They can help you find out things like how many positive mentions you got in a particular month, or how many people you're reaching on different platforms from one month to the next. Your analysis of the data you collect can help drive your social media marketing strategy moving forward. After you've collected and analyzed the data, you can share social media reports with stakeholders to inform them about the results of your campaign. A social media report is a document that presents relevant data and analysis about your social media activities. You can set up different reports to help you monitor different metrics such as followers, comments, or clicks. This can help you improve the performance of your campaigns over time. Many social media platforms provide their own analytics and reporting tools. We'll explore analytics tools in a later course. That brings us to the last core pillar of social media marketing, paid social media. Previously, you learned about the differences between organic and paid media. While many of your marketing activities on social media will involve organic content, you may need to develop a paid social media strategy as well. You'll be able to better control and target your marketing with paid social media than with organic approaches. And social media ads generally allow you to reach a wider audience than organic posts. Paid social media can also help you grow your brand and broaden your presence on social media. The data you gather about the success of your organic approaches on social media will help you inform your paid social strategy. Now you've learned a bit about 5 pillars of social media marketing: strategy, planning and publishing, listening and engagement, analytics and reporting, and paid social media. In the coming lesson, we'll discuss each of these pillars more thoroughly and how you can bring them all together to create a successful social media campaign.